Thank you so much for signing up. You're just a minute away from getting your funnel building sales lead page system. It's completely free. There's no credit cards required for life. This alone could literally save you hundreds of dollars a month. That's how much these systems cost. And this is the world's leading system. But before you sign up, I just want to tell you why I'm so excited and why I'm doing this, because I rarely send my members elsewhere. And it's very simple. I set up a site on there, and the ranking that you can get, the SEO juice on this thing just blew my mind away. So I reached out to a couple of SEO experts and I asked them, what on earth is going on? And they said that this system, Groove Pages, has better SEO potential than WordPress or Lead Pages or anything else that they have ever seen online. It's incomparably better than anything else. And that got me thinking. And I said to them, if that's true, if my members go and grab their free account, would you be willing to create for them a special training where you can show them how they can set up pages in minutes and be able to get them ranked so they can make money, affiliate sales, money without building a product, without having any expertise online other than getting this free system? Guess what? They've agreed. So this is what's about to happen. Number one, you're going to scroll below this video, click on the button and get your hands on Groove Pages completely free for life, no credit cards needed. Number two, you're going to be added to our special training that's taking place on going to show you how to use this system to be able to make affiliate sales fast, literally out of the blocks with almost no work. I've not seen anything as powerful like this online. They're giving this stuff away right now for free. It's going to disappear soon because they're going to turn into a recurring model very shortly. But for people that sign up right now, it's completely free for life, no credit card needed. So do the following. Scroll below this video, grab your free account, get ready for our live training. You'll be receiving an email from us. Read it, go over it, make sure you know when that training is taking place, because you're getting industry insider information, how you can use this Groove funnel system and be able to drive traffic to any offer very quickly indeed with almost no work. It's so exciting. I cannot wait for this to happen. So right away, scroll below this video, click on the button, grab your free Groove Funnels account immediately. And on top of that, get ready for this training. We are going to have a week you will never forget. Can't wait to share it with you.